Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add or remove comments from a page. But the first thing I'm going to tell you is technically there are some pages that you need to put comments on, and there are some pages that you should not allow comments on it. For example, if this is a product page, you need comments. If this is a product or a place or a service, you probably need to put comments for people, and allow it to be responsive with people. For example, someone likes your product and puts a comment there, someone doesn't, and writes a critique, and you can answer it for your other customers to be clear about it. But there are some pages that you don't need to put comments or allow comments on them. For example, about page, privacy policy page, you don't need to allow comments on them because it will not be useful and that good. Who will need to put a comment on there, and who will read them? So that's all to it. Now I'm gonna show you how you can put a comment. Let me create a page here. I'm just gonna copy this lorem ipsum generated text, and I'm gonna call it lorem ipsum page. Now I don't touch any of these. I just need to publish it. And when I publish it, I just need to go to the page. And as you can see, my page don't have any comment. It's just a plain page with text and alto and the footer here. This is search bar, not a comment section. Now to add comments, all you need to do from this page is go to screen options, click on the discussion thing, and close the screen option. Go down here, check allow comments and allow tracks and pingbacks on this page. Now you have done that. All you need to do is just to click on this update and wait for it. And if you go to your page and refresh it, as you can see, you have successfully added comment section to your page. Now I can write a comment, for example, thanks for your content. And if I post it, as you can see, it's here. You can edit it or reply to it. Now if you want to delete those comments and let it be gone, just come here, uncheck these, update, and let's see what happens. It's updated. We come here, refresh it. As you can see, comments are not allowed anymore. Comments are closed, but we still have this comment here. And you can delete this comment in the comment section that I told you in the first videos. You can check that if you need. Thanks for watching. This is all to the video. Hope to see you in the next one.